Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. If you are back, thank you guys so much for being loyal to my channel. I'm going to be opening up the Boxycharm for this month, which is March. So for those of you that don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a subscription box for makeup. You pay $25 a month for your box, or you could pay in advance, but every month you pay $25 and you get 5 full-size items, and they're really good quality items. Just so you guys know, that's what it's about. It's been a while since I made one of these, so bear with me. By the way, my hair is really wet right now because I just got out of the shower. Please excuse my hair. If you want to see videos like this, or you like seeing videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button at the bottom so you get notified of my future videos. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and get started. So this month it's St. Patrick's Day.
So I'm guessing that the box is going to be based off that.
It's a little bit smushed. It looks like it is about St. Patrick's Day. Here is the card. Yeah, so it is. It's themed for St. Patrick's Day, which is super cute. I love all the green, and the clover is so cute. Oh, I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek from the inside before I show you. Okay, that's all you get. The first thing I want to see here, which is the first one on the top, is this Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. It says it hydrates, plumps, and nourishes. Oh, it has 3 of them. That's awesome. So it's for the under eyes, I guess. I'm hoping they're like the gel masks, but I've never seen these before. And it's by the Beauty Corp. It has little avocados on the outside. It's super cute. I freaking love avocados. Who else loves avocados on here? Comment down below if you like avocados. I can't wait to use these. I really need them. Believe it or not, under this makeup, I have like really bad under eye circles recently. It's fine. That's why I have these. Next. Oh wait, hold on. I have to tell you guys the price. The Beauty Corp Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask is $18. It's a new launch, which is super cool. Very moisturizing, so that's really cool. So $18 for that, that's not bad for 3 of them.
3 of them?
So next one, I see this and I'm like, I've never tried this one before specifically, but I like things from Glow Recipe, and this is by Glow Recipe. I can't wait to try it. I freaking love their products. So it is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. It says calming and hydrating. Almost everything that this line has is like fruit based. They have like a watermelon glow mask, and they have like this watermelon hydrating toner. And then they have this like avocado mask. I don't know. I have all those. So I know I really like this brand, and I hope that this works really, really well. And it's super cute. Do you see the banana? It's so cute, right? That one comes out to Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. It's $39. Obviously, all their stuff is around that same price. It looks like this. The jar is so freaking cute. I have other ones, like here's the avocado, the watermelon toner, so cute, and then the watermelon mask. That one's almost gone. That's how I know I love it. Look at that, it's almost gone, but it was pink. They're so adorable. Next. Oh yes, I really wanted to get this one. I saw another YouTuber doing a Boxycharm sneak peek. Her name is Glam with Suzanne. If you guys want to go check her videos out, she is amazing. But she does like sneak peeks on the Boxycharm boxes, and this one was in there, and I was like, I really want that one. I really, really want it. This is so me. So this is the Venus. I don't know if you say like the third, Venus the Third by Lime Crime. Sorry, I can't talk right now. It's like super pink and all. It's so me. You know, she looks like a goddess, so I'm gonna look like a goddess after using this, right? It has a mirror at the top. Here are the colors. They are so beautiful, and that's why I really wanted this one. So here is the colors, right? Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. So it's Venus 3, not Venus 3rd. Comes out to $38. Not too bad, but I feel like this is really small for $32. 38, sorry. I feel like this is really small for $38, so I'm really happy I have Boxycharm so I don't have to buy this full price. Next we have this one right here. It's the Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. That's so pretty. I like that. I like the outside, very artsy. So rose water. I have never tried a rose water setting spray. I will not be testing it out today because I already have my makeup done. I already put a spray on. So next time, maybe I'll make a review for this one. But it looks super cool. This is the packaging. It's a very orangey looking thing. I haven't seen a setting spray that looks like that. Never tried Maven Beauty. I haven't even heard of that brand. Comes out to $22. Okay, so now we have the Car Lip Oil. Oh, Cab. Sorry, Cab Lip Oil. It has like iridescent packaging. I love lip oils. Do you guys have any lip oils? So this is what it looks like. Super cool. Very orangey. I don't know, this gives me like a disco vibe, you know what I mean? Like back in the day, Lisa Frank like type vibe, you know, because back then we used to use lip oils, not lip gloss. So Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil, $20. That's really expensive, and it looks like you get a lot of product in there. In the color Honeydew, it's 0.2 ounces. Not too bad. That's actually really good. I'm very excited to try this. Who else is excited about this? Maybe I'll try it, okay? Maybe I'll do reviews. If you guys want reviews on any of these products that I just mentioned, just let me know. I will make the video for you. I promise. Okay? I can make that promise. I will make the video for you. That's pretty much it for this box. I am actually really happy and really excited about this box because it has a lot of things that I would have never thought of buying myself, or like things that I just forget to buy, like setting spray. The banana moisture thing, I'm like super happy about that. I freaking love this brand. The avocado mask, like I would have never thought about that, but I need them because my eyes are like horrible right now. This one I don't need as much, but I think I really like this. The lip oil, this is the one that I'm most excited about actually. I love lip oils. Like, you guys don't understand. Lip oils make your lips look so freaking pretty, like glass. So I'm very excited to try that. Vegetable juice. It's not blood. It's vegetable juice. Okay. So that's pretty much it for this box, guys. Let me know if you guys really like this box. And let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see future videos like this. And hit the little bell button on the side so you will get notifications of my future videos. I want to give you a little inspirational quote, okay? Go out of your comfort zone, okay? Try to do things, not every day, but at least once a week. Do something that you thought you would never do. Nothing crazy, just kind of like, for example, let's say you don't talk to people really. Try to go out and like talk to someone, you know, do a little something to push yourself a little bit. It'll help you grow as a person. So just do something different every week. Like go on a hike. If you've never been on a hike, go on a hike. Okay, it'll be like a life-changing experience. That's it, guys. I'm not gonna go too far into that because then I'm gonna keep talking. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.